What is good, y'all? I'm back here with another video. Today we are going to be installing my carbon fiber mirror caps. It's the M2 style ones. So I'll get to y'all when we are at the car. So my phone actually connected to the Apple CarPlay, so there's no audio on this clip. So I'm just gonna add some music in for y'all. The tool they gave me was a little bit more narrow than what the videos were showing, so popping the mirror off was kind of more difficult. I wasn't trying to break the mirror, but with how small the tools were, it took me a lot longer to pop them off. This is the final product. I did break a mirror. One thing you have to be careful of is breaking mirrors. I got one of mine. The other one I did fine, but this one did get broken. It's alright. It's only $20, so I'll get that. But I am pretty happy with the outcome. Alright, y'all, that is it for the video today. I'm pretty happy with the results. It sucks that I broke one of the mirrors, but it is only $20, so it's not that big of a deal. I hope you guys like the results as well, and stay tuned for the next video.